I have a lot of problems staying motivated right now. So I thought I was doing really well by getting all my resin stuff out, and then I stared at it, realizing that I do not want to cast all of these resin thingies, gems, whatever. She has 26 on her legs alone. Like, it's ridiculous. I think I'm gonna go with, let's see, I think I'm gonna go with these. They're really cheap, they're quite flat, they're in the right color. I don't know, but I've wasted quite a lot of time not deciding anything. So I've decided to stop doing this because I don't really need to decide now, and I'm gonna make my pattern for the fest so I can actually get something done today, and I hopefully feel a little better to get back to it. Ugh, so sweaty. I hate this feeling. I don't actually need seam allowance on the middle front and the bottom, but I'm gonna add it just in case because it's a lot easier to cut it off than to have to add it on and make it look good afterwards. So it's a vest. I zigzagged all the edges and everything is sewn together, so let's get started on finishing these edges with some bias tape. It's done! Yay! It took a little longer than I expected, but it's done. It's a little wide, but I'm not going to take it in yet until I know what I'm going to be wearing underneath it. So now I can get moving to the next part of my cosplay.